In this video, I'm going to teach you one lifestyle change that will help you improve your workout performance, help you sleep better, improve your digestive system, and build immunity at the same time. All four by just making one simple change in your life. Now, the lifestyle change I want you to introduce is eat your dinner before sunset. How do you eat your dinner before sunset? I'll teach you the steps that you can follow so that you can plan your day accordingly. Second, I'll talk about the benefits of eating your dinner early. Now let's jump to the first benefit of eating your dinner early. The first benefit is digestive rest. Let me explain this concept of digestive rest with an example. From Monday to Saturday, you go to office. On Sunday, you take a break. This break helps you re-energize yourself so that you can give your absolute best from the next Monday to Saturday. This holiday helps re-energize your body, helps rejuvenate your mind, helps you stay relaxed and calm. Now apply the same logic to your digestive organs. All you have to do is eat your dinner early. This gives you at least 12 hours of gap between your dinner and your morning breakfast. This gap of 12 hours will help relax your digestive organs, and when they get enough rest, they can perform at their absolute best for the next 12 hours of the day. This is the concept of digestive rest, and I hope you have understood why digestive rest is important. The second benefit of eating your dinner early is better sleep. You'll be able to sleep better if you eat a light dinner and you eat as early as possible. Now let me explain the correlation between food and sleep. Let's assume you eat your dinner at 9 p.m. and you go to bed at 11 p.m. There's a 2 hours gap between your bedtime and your dinner meal. But when you go to sleep at 11 p.m, you struggle to sleep. You wait for 20-30 minutes, or you wait for 10-15 minutes before you actually go to sleep, or some people even struggle for hours before they actually start sleeping. This happens because the food you ate in your dinner is still stuck in your belly. It is yet to be digested. Now, if you eat your dinner light and if you eat 3 hours before the bedtime, by the time you go to bed, the food in your belly is digested. And once the digestive stress has reduced, your sleep hormones will start secreting. Once your sleep hormones are secreted, you will be able to sleep effortlessly. And I've explained the benefits of a good sleep cycle in a video. You can tap here to watch. The third benefit is a better immune system. If you eat your dinner early, there is high chance of your body going into a zone of fasting. Fasting helps your internal system get time to clean itself. Once the body is clean, it creates an environment for growth, and the chances of you getting stuck with cough, cold, fever problems reduces to 0. The fourth benefit of eating your dinner early is it helps improve your workout performance. Now, how does eating a dinner early and workout performance has a correlation? Let me explain this in simple words. As explained, fasting helps clean the toxins from your gut. When the toxins are eliminated from the gut, the body can automatically generate more energy for workouts. A body with minimum level of toxins will help circulate the blood more efficiently. Better blood circulation is a clear sign of better workout performance. When the internal digestive system is clean, the body can divert its focus towards the exercises we do, and this will help improve your performance. Now let me explain this with two scenarios. The first scenario is where you eat a pizza in your dinner and the next morning you go for a run. You can literally feel your speed and stamina getting lower. The second scenario is where you eat a home cooked meal and a bowl of salad with it. The next day you go for a run. You can see a big difference in your running speed and your stamina. This happens because pizza will lead toxins in your gut, and it's your responsibility to eat a salad after the pizza and make sure you eat fruits before the run. These two advices that I just gave you will help you enjoy the pizza and minimize the effects of eating junk food in your fitness performance. Now I've spoken about the benefits of eating early. Now I'll tell you how do you actually start eating your dinner early. 2 points that you need to work on is time management and pre-plan your meals. This will save your time. It will help you stay consistent with eating your dinner early. Now many of you would say, I don't cook my meals. So I'll pick up second situation and I'll give you the solution for the same. Second situation is where you know you will not reach home before 8 p.m. So you have two options. First, you can carry a tiffin and eat your meal before you leave for home. That is, you will eat your dinner in the office at 7 p.m. Second option is that you will ask the canteen guy to cook simple, regular homemade meal for you. But in this situation, you are not flexible and you decide to not eat your meal in the office, but I'll eat only at home. Then you can't eat your dinner early. It's impossible. You will have to adjust your comfort zone over health, or you'll have to adjust your health over your comfort zone. What should be the ideal time to eat your dinner? Preferably before sunset. I eat my dinner at 7 p.m. and I make sure I complete it before 8 p.m. every single day. So the action idea has been given to you. The action idea is to eat your dinner early. If you want to build better immunity, if you want your stomach to stay healthy, if you want to stay away from diseases, that means better immune system, and if you want to get better in your fitness, then you should start eating early. There are thousands of benefits. These are the 4 benefits that I thought will definitely help all of you. Hey everyone, I hope this video has delivered value in your life. If it did, then do share this video with your friends. Do like the video to make the YouTube Baba happy. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye bye.